Hi, I'm Stacy, Slam Dunk Home Loans, and today I want to talk to you about an essential step in the home buying process, checking your credit in order to get a pre-approval letter. So let's dive in. When you're ready to buy a home, one of the first steps is obtaining a mortgage pre-approval letter, but do you need to check your credit to get this letter? I can't tell you how many people ask me this question. The answer is yes. Here's why. Your credit is a crucial factor in determining your eligibility for a mortgage. And if we don't check it, if we don't pull it, we have so much information that we just don't know about you. And we can't give you a true pre-approval. So the answer is yes. We have to pull your credit in order to give you a pre-approval. And any reputable lender is not going to give you a pre-approval without pulling your credit. If they do, the pre-approval that you have really is not worth the paper that it's written on. Checking your credit helps us do three really important things. One, it determines your credit worthiness and your credit score. We need this information to help us decide which loan programs you qualify for. Different types of loans have different credit and credit score requirements. Like, for example, FHA loan requires a 580 credit score, where a conventional loan requires a 620 credit score. But if you want to do a Hometown Hero loan, that requires a 640 credit score. Once we have your credit score information, we can place you in the correct loan program. We need to look at all of the rules on that program to see if you qualify. So for example, FHA has a maximum loan limit. If your loan too high, too low, we need to find out. And your debt to income rules are different on conventional loans than they are on FHA. Some loans have income restrictions or requirements that you must be a first-time home buyer. All of these things have to be checked before we can issue you a pre-approval. Next, based on that program we put you in, now we can determine your interest rate. Different loan programs have different interest rates. So we also have to see if your loan or your specific situation has anything called loan level pricing adjustments. These are add-ons to the rate for your particular scenario. They could be for your credit score. It could be if you plan on using the home as a rental or second home. It could be your debt to income ratio. All these things can affect your rate or your fees, which will increase, meaning it changes your approval. The final part of this is on some loans, your credit score directly affects your mortgage insurance rate. So this can drastically affect your payment and how much you qualify for. All of these things are necessary to issue a true pre-approval, which is why, yes, we need to pull your credit to issue you a real live pre-approval letter. Now, the last part of this is there's two kinds of inquiries, a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry. A hard inquiry and how that affects your credit is it might hurt you a few points, it might give you a little ding. And these are when somebody pulls you for a credit card, a car loan, and normally a mortgage loan. And they can slightly lower your credit score by a few points. Now, there's also a soft credit hit, which has no impact on your credit at all. And this is if you personally pull your own credit, or a lot of lenders today can actually pull a soft credit bureau. We actually pull a soft credit hit up front so it doesn't affect your credit score right away, and it gives us a great overview of what's happening. So now that you understand why pulling your credit is so crucial to the pre-approval process, now you know. Don't just go get some willy-nilly pre-approval off the internet where somebody didn't check all these things for you, because it really matters and can cause you a lot of harm and frustration in the future if you get in a contract with that one. Now, if you need any more information or have any questions, I want you to look down below and hit me up, send me an email, call me, text me, whatever you need. We're Slam Dunk Mortgage Team. We're here to help you. We appreciate you being part of our family, and we're looking forward to helping you. Happy house hunting. Bye-bye.